Can't wait for the babysitter. Just wish we didn't need one. Yeah, definitely. Hey guys, it's time for us to go to work. Sorry you guys need babysitters, but you know, you guys are too little. She's 6, you're 3, you're 2. I really, you guys really need a babysitter. I'm sorry. Oh, that must be her. Mommy, let me go get the door, me and him. No, sorry, we really don't have enough time to really introduce ourselves and to my kids, so you'll learn the names if they tell you. So let's do some chores. You should do some chores or get taped to the bed. Which one? Are you really a bat? Oh, if you counted as a vampire, then yes. Oh, jeez. Yes. Okay, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I always have this weird wooden stick. It's invisible. Good. She'll never see it's coming. Yay. That's like awesome. Ow. It's awesome. Yay. Yeah. Let me go do it. Oh, jeez. I can't watch. No, me either. Oh, no. Why isn't your head coming off?